Hi, nice to meet you. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to extract um, Google Maps information uh, by listing a business of Google Maps. So let's do it. I built this software that extract all the listing of all the Google My Business profiles or Google Maps profiles uh, depending of your search terms. For example, if you want to look and extract all the listing for auto parts in Boston, you can put here in the keyword box auto parts in Boston. Next, in the city, you have to put Boston, and next click search, and the software will start to extract all the auto parts listing from Boston. Let's wait a minute to extract all the information. Okay, it's done. When it's done, we can export to Excel here, clicking on this button, export to Excel, and download in the folder as you want in your computer. For example, I will put the file name auto parts in Boston. Okay, the file was generated, and we can put here auto parts in Boston and open the file. And we have the listing of the auto parts in Boston that you want to download in an Excel format. So you have the business name, the address, the phone number, the rating, the reviews, the website, the email is it has, and the schedule and the place ID for Google Maps. If you want to download the software, you can click on the download link that I will put on the comment sections. And this is it. Thank you for watching.